Welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're gonna learn standard Arabic conversation from cartoon. Let's get started. So now let's watch this part and focus and try to read the subtitle.
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير يا صغيري.
تبدو لي قلقا.
نعم، أنا خائف.
ولم أنت خائف يا فريد؟
Okay, so let's watch it one more time and investigate the conversation and the words. Let's listen to the first sentence.
صباح الخير.
So, the small turtle said, صباح الخير. صباح الخير. Let me make it here in a big size. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. Good morning. Let's see the syllables. He say what? Sa. This is the first syllable. Sa. Ba. Hu. Hu. Actually, the sound here is not H. The sound here is ha, 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 ha. But if you can't pronounce it, there is no any problem. Okay, you can pronounce it like H. But the sound here is this letter, which is ha, ha, ha. So, sabahu. This is the word sabahu. Sabahu. It means morning. Sabahu. Morning. Okay, let's put all of them here in red for you to get it. Sabahu, sabahu. Okay, and then we have al khair, al khair, al khair, al khair. Good. So, good morning. Sabahul khair. Repeat after me. Sabahu al khair. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. Okay, let's listen it one more time here from the cartoon when he said صباح الخير.
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير. Okay, and then let's see the answer of the mother.
صباح الخير يا صغيري.
She said صباح الخير يا صغيري. صباح الخير يا صغيري. Let's see. She said صباح الخير. Let's put it in a bigger size as well for you to see it. She said صباح الخير. She replied him صباح الخير, and then she said يا صغيري. صغيري. Let's see. The word صغير, 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 it means little. Okay, let's add it here. I'm gonna change the color. Let's put it in blue and here as well for you to see it. So صغير, this word here, it means little or small. Okay, and then she said my little. Okay, this my here, I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna change the color to be orange. So this is my little. It means صغيري. This e in the end, it means my. Okay, صغيري. So for example, if I say the word, let's see the word kitab. Kitab. Kitab, it means book. Book. Okay, and then it's a book. Kitab. I'm gonna add here the meaning book. Okay, but if I want to say my book, sorry, if I want to say kitabi, so now it is my book. So this e in the end, it is my. It is inverted and it is one and it is one word. We pronounce it together. We say كتابي, كتابي, صغيري, صغيري. The word يا we added before the name of the person to call him, okay? So you can say يا Christian, يا Gustavo, يا Maria, okay? So صباح الخير يا صغيري. صباح الخير, we have already learned it. And then we have يا, let's add يا here in red to be like يا here. And then صغيري, this part here in orange, okay? صباح الخير يا صغيري. Repeat after me. صباح الخير, صباح الخير يا صغيري, صغيري, my little. So literally translated, there is no one. It will be just my little, okay? صباح الخير يا صغيري. The next sentence is
تبدو لي قلقا.
his father said تبدو لي قلقا. تبدو لي قلقا. Let's see it here. He said تبدو لي. Let's here, this is لي. Let's change the color to be in blue to be the same. So تبدو لي, تبدو لي, and then we have قلقا, 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 قلقا. Okay, قلقا is worried. قلقا is worried. لي, it is to me. To me. لي, to me. تبدو, you look. You look worried to me. You look worried to me. تبدو لي قلقا. تبدو لي قلقا. Okay. So the source of قلقا, worried, the word worriness, worriness, it is قلق, قلق. It is قلق, قلق. This is the source of the word قلق. قلق, 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 it means worriness. Okay, but we say here worried. Worried, it is قلقا. تبدو لي قلقا. تبدو لي قلقا. You can say it as well. تبدو لي قلق. تبدو لي قلق. It means you look worried to me. Repeat after me. تبدو لي قلقا. تبدو لي قلقا. Okay, let's move on. The small turtle now is gonna talk.
نعم أنا خائف.
He said what? نعم أنا خائف. نعم, it means what? It means yes. 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 نعم. Here we have a letter. I put here number 3, but here we have عين. عين pronounce a. نعم. If you can't pronounce it, there is no any problem. If you say نعم, okay, no problem. نعم, yes. أنا. أنا. What's أنا? أنا is I. أنا is I here. And then we have خائف. Look at the pronunciation. We have here 2 syllables. We're gonna read each one as if it were a different word. So we say خائف. Let's add here خائف. خا, this part in blue, it is this. I'm gonna add it here in blue as well. خا. And then we have if. If, I'm gonna change the color to be red. So we have خا if. خائف. خائف. خائف is afraid. Afraid. Okay. خائف, it means afraid. Okay, let's change here the color. Okay. And here, as you see, yes, I am afraid. Yes, I'm afraid. So, I'm here is أنا. أنا. But pay attention. This is very important. In this situation, we don't use verb to be in Arabic. So literally we say, yes, I afraid. Yes, I afraid. Okay. So repeat after me. نعم. نعم. أنا خائف. نعم. أنا خائف. Okay. Let's move on.
ولم أنت خائف يا فريد؟
She said what? ولم أنت خائف يا فريد؟ ولم أنت خائف يا فريد? His name is Farid. This is his name. ولم أنت خائف يا فريد? Why are you afraid? Farid. Why afraid? Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid of Farid? Why are you afraid, Farid? Yeah, it confuses you. Afraid, Farid. Afraid, Farid. Okay. So why are you afraid, Farid? Let's put here. We have a question. Okay. Then let's see. Why? Let's change the color. Green. So why is lima? Why is lima? And this it means and this is and. So she says actually she says and why are you afraid? Okay, so here this part and let's change the color to, for example, to orange, and here it will be in orange as well. لما why okay. أنت you and afraid, we have already learned it in the previous sentence. Afraid, it means خائف in Arabic. خائف, 2 syllables. خائف. And then she say, يا فريد. Farid. Okay. Let's read together. ولما أنت خائف يا فريد؟ ولما أنت خائف يا فريد؟
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير يا صغيري.
تبدو لي قلقا.
نعم، أنا خائف.
ولما أنت خائف يا فريد؟
So guys, I'll stop here at this part. I wish you liked the class. I use actually this method to teach in my online classes. If you are interested in online classes in Egyptian Arabic or standard Arabic, you can contact me at this email, alkutabarabic@gmail.com. I wish you liked the class. See you in another one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
نعم، أنا خائف.
ولما أنت خائف يا فريد؟
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير يا صغيري.
تبدو لي قلقا.
نعم، أنا خائف.
ولما أنت خائف يا فريد؟